So integration of trigonometric functions. The standard formulas for evaluating the integrals of the 6 trigonometric functions are given to this video. So the first 2 can be verified by differentiation and the remaining 4 may be proved directly. So yan yung sa 6. Okay? So yung mga important formulas na ilagay ko sa module pero ulitin natin dito. So ito ay kailangan nyong ma-memorize at is alam nyo kung paano isolve and substitute kung ano yung value of that trigonometric function. So halimbawa, yung integral of sine u du is equals to negative cosine of u plus the arbitrary constant c. And the integral of the cosine u du is equals to sine u plus the arbitrary constant c. Okay, lagi siyang may arbitrary constant c. And the integral of tangent of u du is equals to the ln of a cosine of u plus the arbitrary constant c. While the integral of the cotangent u du is equals to ln, so positive siya, of sine u plus the arbitrary constant c. And the integral of secant u du is equals to ln of a secant u plus tangent u plus the arbitrary constant c. And meron pa? The integral of cosecant u du is equals to ln of a cosecant of u, cosecant of u plus cotangent of u plus the arbitrary constant c. And the integral of secant squared u du is equals to tangent u plus the arbitrary constant c. While the integral of cosecant squared u du is equals to negative cotangent of u plus the arbitrary constant c. Meanwhile, integral of secant u tangent u du is equals to secant of u plus the arbitrary constant c. And the last one, the integral of the cosecant u cotangent u du is equals to negative cosecant u plus the arbitrary constant na c. So ito yung mga kailangan yung tandaan na important formulas if you are going to answer using the integration of trigonometric functions. So example, so evaluate integral of sine 4x dx. Okay? So in this case, yung ating u is equals to 4x. Okay? Kasi, bakit nga ba 4x yung ating andito? Kasi yung sine is maiiwan dahil yan nga yung gagawin natin na trigonometric function, di ba? So yung ating i-evaluate lang na u ay yung 4x. Okay? So hindi kasali. Di ba kanina yung ating sa substitution ay sine of 4x, that is the u. Okay, so in this case, hindi, no? Yung u is yung 4x. Kasi yung sine ay may integrate natin siya. Kasi kaya nga meron tayong formula for that. Okay? So meaning yung ating derivative of u is equals to 4dx. And yung ating nf is equals to 1/4. Therefore, this should be equals to 1/4 times yung, ano ba yung integration ng sine of 4x. Okay? So, yung sine of 4x is negative cosine of 4x plus the arbitrary constant c. Okay? And this should be equals to negative 1/4 cosine of 4x plus the arbitrary constant c. So, ganun lang po siya kadali. Next. How about this one? So, integral of a quantity 1 plus sine of 2x over the cosine of 2x closed quantity dx. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung fraction bar ay para sa lahat. Okay? So all over yan. So meaning, nag-shared sila, yung 1 at saka yung sine 2x ay nag-shared sila with a common denominator na cosine of 2x. So meaning, pwede natin silang paghiwalayin. Integral of a quantity, 1 over cosine of 2x plus sine of 2x over cosine of 2x dx. Okay? Dito ko na lang. Hindi walang ano. Okay? So, and therefore, yung ating 1 over cosine is secant siya, diba? So, this would be equals to a quantity of seconds 2x plus yung sine over cosine is tangent. So, tangent 2x dx. Okay? And this would be equals to the integral of secant 2x dx plus integral of tangent 2x dx. Okay? So, in this case, pwede na nating tingnan yung ating formula for that. So, yung ating secant ay ln. Okay? ln, merong ln. Pero meron tayong 2x, diba? So, meron tayong nf dyan. So, meaning, this would be equals to 1/2 ln of secant 2x plus tangent 2x, okay, minus, bakit tayo nag-minus? Okay, so minus 1/2, dito sa baba, ln cosine of 2x plus the arbitrary constant na c, okay? So, yan yung nandyan sa ating integration of trigonometric function formula. Diba? So, wag kayong magtaka ba't dumami, no? Ganun talaga. Kasi itong integral of, okay, dito natin siya sa ano, para malinaw. Diba ito, so ang corresponding niya is ito, yan. And then ito namang tangent, integral of tangent, ang correspond niya naman ay itong isang yan, plus C. So, ang haba nung sagot dito sa example na ito. A. Ano pa ba? Next. So, how about this one? So, integral of quantity 1 plus secant of x squared dx. Okay? So, ito ay ganyan. So, pwede natin siyang i-expand. So, this would be equals to integral of 1 plus, kasi 1 squared is 1 pa rin. So, okay, so 1 plus 2 secant of x plus ito squared nito ay secant squared of x, then dx. Okay? And then, integrate natin siya by parts. So, this would be equals to integral of 1 or integral of dx plus 2. Nilabas na yung 2. Ito. Then, integral of secant of x dx plus integral of secant squared x dx. Okay? So, alam natin na yung integral of dx is equals to x. And then yung integral of secant of x dx is equals to ln of secant x plus tangent x. Okay? And yung ating integral of secant squared is equals to tangent of x plus the arbitrary constant na c. Okay? So, ito ay ito yan. And then, ito naman ay para dito sa tangent. Okay? So bali yung ating concept dito sa integration of trigonometric function is just to integrate and consider the trigo functions. Yun lang yun, no? And in your module, we have 3 problems sa ating activity. I hope na makuha nyo yun. And I hope you learned something about this topic.